Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. So C programming to the class 10. So we'll continue with the same topic, tokens. In the previous classes we have discussed some tokens and today we'll discuss the remaining tokens. So let us start the topic. First, constants. So what is constant? A constant is a fixed value that cannot be altered during the execution of a program. So the meaning constant, we know constant means fixed. So here constant is a fixed value that cannot be altered, means it cannot be changed during the execution of a program. Once the value is assigned to constant, it is fixed throughout the program. So once we assign a value to the constant, so it will be fixed throughout the program. In other way, we can define a constant is a named memory location which holds one value throughout the program execution. So it will hold one value throughout the program execution, and that value cannot be changed. So if user tries to change that constant value, it will throw an error. So it is a fixed value. We cannot change that value during the execution of the program. If we try to change, then it gives you error. That is a constant. So there are several types of constants in C language. So let us see what are they. Numerical constants and non-numerical constants. So your numerical constants, again two types. One is integer constant and real constants, and non-numerical constants is also two types, that is character constants and string constants. So let us, till now we have seen what is constant. So now we'll discuss some types of constant, that is numerical constant and non-numerical constant. So let us see one by one in detail. So first, numerical constants. So numerical constants means or refers to the numbers, and they are classified into two types. So numerical means numbers. So they are classified into two types. They are integer constants, real constants. So again, numerical constant is classified into two types, that is integer constants and real constants. And what is integer constants? An integer constant refers to a sequence of digits or whole numbers. Example, you can say 0, 9, 15, 100, 200, minus 10, 60 and so on. All numeric, all numbers or all numerics are considered as integer constant. Next, rules to define integer constant. So there are some rules to define integer constant. So what are they? Let us see. First, an integer constant must have at least one digit. So an integer constant must have at least one digit. Next, it must have decimal or float. It must not have decimal or float point value. So integers means only numbers, should not have fractional part. So like 2.3, 0.3 point should not be there. It must not have decimal or float point value. Next, it can be positive or negative. Here you can see minus 10 I have given. So it can be positive or negative digit. Next, comma or blank spaces and special symbols are not allowed within integer constants. So here commas or blank spaces and some special symbols are not allowed. See like this $200, it is not allowed. Like if you write 25,000, should not keep comma like this, and there is no 5.9. This is float or decimal value. It is not allowed. And here 12 we wrote here given space, and this is not allowed to write or to create or to define integer constants. So this is about integer constants. Next, the allowable range for integer constant is -32768 32767. This is the range of integer constant. Next, integer constants are of three types. That is decimal integer constant, octal integer constant, next hexadecimal integer constant. So previously we have learned what is integer constant and some rules. Again here integer constants are of three types: decimal integer constant, octal integer constant, hexadecimal integer constant. Let us see one by one. Decimal integer constant. So decimal integer constant consists of set of 10 digits. So they are from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 can count, you'll get 10 digits. So each digit can be preceded with plus or minus sign. So it can be positive or it can be negative. So decimal numbers, decimal integer constants are 10 digits. Starts from 0 to 9. So examples you can see: 9, 29, minus 25, plus 45, minus 8. Like this you can define decimal integer constants. Next, octal integer constant. Octal means 8. So octal integer constant consists of set of 8 digits. So it is there from 0 to 7. So 0 to 7 you'll get 8. Each digit is leading with 0. So starting you'll get 0, 9. Here you write 9, 29 minus like this. Here 0, 9, 0, 29, 0, 25, 0, 5, 4, 5. Like this. Next we'll see hexadecimal integer constant. So hexadecimal integer constant consists of set of 16 digits. So remember, decimal 10 digits, octal 8 digits, and hexa 16 digits from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9 numbers and alphabets from A to 15. So here 10, 11, 12 is not supported. So in place of 10 you'll get A, B, C, D, E, F. So 0 to 15, so 16 digits. So hexadecimal integer constant is a set of 16 digits. So here 0 to 9 are the 10 digits and the remaining are from A to F. So hexadecimal integer starts with 0x. So they are starts with 0x. Example you can see 0x5, 0x8a, 0x35, like this. Next, hexadecimal and octal integer constants are rarely used in the programming. So you can see now hexadecimal numbers. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for numbers, and the remaining are alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F. Here A means 10, B means 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. So this is hexadecimal integer constant. Next, in the numerical constant we have two types, that is integer and real or float constant. So next we'll see real or float constants. So numbers containing fractional part. So only numbers means integers. So numbers with fractional part is called real constant. These are all mainly used to represent quantities such as temperature, voltage, pressure, volume, price, etc. See here, suppose if you take only integers, that is integer constant it will become. There only numbers. So using integer constant you cannot represent the quantities like 2.3, 4.3, not possible. Like 0 degrees temperature, 0.3 degrees temperature, like this voltage, pressures, these cannot be like if petrol price is there 104 rupees 0.98, like this we cannot represent. So it is possible only with real or float constant. See here, this is real constant, or you can call it as floating point constant. Real constant or floating point constant. Floating point means a fractional part, you'll get points. So integer numbers does not support quantities such as temperature, voltage, pressure, volume, price, etc. So this is the example 5.5, 2.6, 0.2 are the real or float constant. Its real number may also be expressed in exponential notation. So the general form of exponential notation is mantissa e exponent, like this. The mantissa is either real number or integer number, and the exponent must be an integer only. Next. Rules for real or float constant. A real constant must have at least one digit. It must have decimal point. It can be positive or negative. Comma or blank space and special symbols are not allowed. Same rules which you can see there for integer constant. Same rules for real also. Next, non-numerical constant. So numerical constant, integer and real. Non-numerical means, so numerical constant contains numbers, numerics. Here non-numerical constant means it contains text or characters. So they are classified again into two types, that is character constant and string constant. So let us see what is character constant and string constant. So character constant is any single alphabet or digit or special symbol or space enclosed within single quotes. So digits, alphabets, symbols or space when we enclosed using single quotes, we can see here single quotes, using these quotes, then it becomes character constant. So maximum length of character constant is one character. Exact character means one, only one. Can see the example. See, V is enclosed in single quote, R is enclosed in single quote, 5 is enclosed in single quote. See, if you enclose numbers in single quote, then it becomes character constant only. Next, this is a special symbol which is enclosed in single quote, and this is the space which is enclosed using single quote, and it is also a character. So this is character constant. Next, string constant. A string means what? A group of characters or collection of characters or more than one character is called string. See, string is nothing but combination of characters or collection of characters. So strings character is enclosed using single quote and strings are enclosed using double quotes. Same, VR, when you enclose in double quotes, it is a string, combination of characters. So previously I wrote only V, means one character. String means combination of characters or collection of characters. Like this. So then when you write 125 like this, numbers use double quotes, then it will become numeric string. It's a numeric string. So you can see space string, and this VR computer education. This is completely combination of characters and it is a string. So this is non-numerical constants, string constant and character constant. And this is about constants in tokens. Thank you.